Hi friends, want to improve your privacy and reduce tracking on your Android phone? In this guide, I'll show you how to block trackers using Private DNS in just a few simple steps. Blocking trackers with Private DNS is one of the easiest ways to enhance your online privacy without installing any additional apps. Private DNS works at the system level, helping filter out many tracking domains before they can collect information about your browsing activity. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android device. Depending on your phone brand and Android version, tap Network and Internet or Connections. Samsung devices usually place this option under Connections, while Google Pixel and many other Android phones list it under Network and Internet. Next, scroll down and select Private DNS. If you don't see it right away, you can use the Settings search bar and type Private DNS to find it quickly. When the Private DNS menu opens, choose Private DNS Provider Hostname. This option allows you to manually enter a secure DNS provider that can block trackers and other unwanted connections. Now enter one of the following hostnames: dns.8guard.com. Blocks many ads and tracking domains while you browse and use apps. family.adguarddns.com provides the same ad and tracker blocking features, plus filters adult content for a family-friendly experience. After entering your preferred hostname, tap Save. Your phone will immediately start using the selected DNS service whenever you're connected to a network that supports Private DNS. Keep in mind that Private DNS can help block many trackers, but some apps may still use their own tracking methods. Even so, this setting provides an extra layer of privacy and can improve your browsing experience by reducing unwanted connections. With Private DNS enabled, your phone can reduce tracking across apps and websites while keeping setup simple and secure.